What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. We are back from vacation. Yay! Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Riley.
Hey.
We are back from vacation. We had an awesome vacation. It was hot, but it was fun. We got to drink adult beverages and water. We drank water. Lots of water. We sat around the beach. I got tan, she got burnt, so good to go. But we're back to the shop, and shop's rocking and rolling, guys. We got Paul's XJ in here, which is a super clean XJ, guys. You know these things are so hard to find now, but this thing is bone stock clean. Now it needs some maintenance stuff, but other than that, she is bone stock from the factory. Beautiful, and it's a 5-speed, which is pretty rare. I think it's a 94, so it just needs, like, get some oil leaks and brakes and tires and blah 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 blah. But other than that, it's clean. Check out this XJ; it's so freaking clean. Anywho, Robert, we are still dealing with insurance on this guy, but as you can see, there's sand in there. So, and there's a crazy ass glare. There he is. You can see all the sand in the bottom of it. That's awesome. Anywho, Rabbit's getting something fun. I'll explain that after a while. The school bus got its floor in. So, just to give you an idea of what it kind of looks like. The bus got a floor. I won't show you yet. But let's see what we got here. We got a rear bumper and tire carrier from Smittybilt for a JK, so that'll be cool. We're still waiting on a new transfer case for the Bronco. Don't know why this is taking that long. Got a TJ in here that had a little mishap with its radiator. So as you can see right, it broke, so it needs a new radiator. Got one of those. Rock and roll. We also got Ironhide in here. We're doing brakes all the way around, and we are doing a CB install. I had somebody ask me the other day what CBs we run. We run the Uniden 505 Pros, the Pro XLs. That's what we run. And it's pretty slick. These, where'd the box go for the mount? The mount is JKCB mount. You can get these off of from Rugged Ridge or Amazon or whatever. But the mount right here is pretty nice, and you can mount the microphone holder right here. So you get the idea. And then all the wires, the power and ground wires go that way, and then the cable runs back all the way back here to the fire stick and mount. There's the mount right there. But anywho, so yeah, that's pretty easy. But yeah, brake pads were pretty short. Check it out. Gone. Anywho, but yeah, guys, we are back to the shop. We're rocking and rolling. I can't think of anything else. We're also doing some wheels to this apparently very rare BMW. I don't know what it is. It's apparently very rare. There's only a couple made, stick shift or something, whatever. Anywho, we're taking the wheels down to powder coat to B2. They are going to be powder coating them chrome because the customer wants chrome. Whatever. So anywho, we got some more back here. We got a WJ. It's going to be getting some more stuff. This is John's WJ. We're going to be fixing the windows. When he bought it, the windows don't work, so either something to do with the control switch here, or the motors or the regulators themselves. So we're going to be screwing with that next. We have an old Land Cruiser. that we are going to be doing a lift kit on, so that'll be cool because it definitely needs it. The shocks are gone. I've never, check this out. Watch. Gone. These shocks are gone. So this suspension is pretty worn out, so it needs to be changed. But anywho, guys, I appreciate it. Guys, these videos go on our YouTube channel, so if you don't mind, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that fun stuff, all that fun jazz. We have a off-road meet and greet here at the shop this weekend, this Saturday at 1. I don't know, I might change that to Sunday. I don't know, let me know if that might be better. And then we have, after that, we have Windrock. When is Windrock? Do you remember?
Windrock is July 30th, 31st, and 1st of July.
1st of August.
The 1st of August, but
Okay.
July.
So end of July, 1st of August. So guys, if you want to come out there, that'll be really fun. We're gonna have an easy, medium, and a hard group. So
Bring your wives and your babies. We'll have kids and ladies there.
okay, kids, ladies, dogs, all that fun stuff. So we have our campsites. Is it D3 and D4? Is that right? I believe so. Okay, so D3 and D4, they are. They're not primitive, are they? No, they're hookup, but they're RV sites. So we're gonna be bringing tents and stuff. It's gonna be hot. Yeah, you're gonna be out there too. Okay. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it. We will see you later.